In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Logseq on Windows. If you're new to Logseq, it's a powerful, privacy-first note-taking and knowledge management app that runs locally on your computer. Let's get you set up quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to logseq.com. Going directly to the official site ensures you're downloading a clean, up-to-date version. Once the homepage loads, look for the Download for Windows button. It's usually featured prominently, and it will automatically pick the right Windows build for most modern PCs. Clicking that button will begin the download of the installer. Now, give the download a moment to complete. Depending on your connection, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll typically see the progress at the bottom of your browser window, or you can check your Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save the file, choosing the default downloads location makes it easy to find. When the download finishes, click the installer file from your browser's download bar or open it from the Downloads folder in File Explorer. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for trusted installers. Confirm by selecting Yes. If Smart Screen appears, choose Run Anyway if you're sure you got the file from logseq.com. These prompts are designed to protect you, and confirming them here allows the installer to proceed. After you launch the installer, it typically runs with minimal input. You might see a brief setup window or a progress indicator as it unpacks and places the app in the appropriate location. This step is usually quick. When it finishes, Logseq should open automatically, or you'll find a new shortcut in your Start menu. If you prefer easy access later, you can right-click the app in the taskbar while it's open and pin it, or search for it and start and pin it there as well. That's all there is to it. Go to the official website, click Download for Windows, wait for the file to finish downloading, and then run the installer. If anything doesn't look right, like an unexpected file name or a warning that it's from an unknown source, cancel and return to logseq.com to try again. With Logseq now installed, you're ready to explore your notes and projects locally, with the peace of mind that your data stays on your machine. Enjoy your new setup and happy organizing.